Podcast number 22, find the arc length of y equals the natural log of sine x. The first thing to do is find the derivative, and of course the derivative of the natural log will be 1 over the argument, and then take the derivative of sine, which is cosine. And cosine over sine, to simplify things, you can just call that cotangent. And now we're supposed to integrate from 1 to 2, and for arc length it goes, take the square root of 1 plus the derivative is squared. So that means it's 1 plus cotangent squared. And then 1 plus cotangent squared happens to equal cosecant squared. So that means it's the square root of cosecant squared. And then that's nice because the square root and the square will cancel out. So we're really finding the integral from 1 to 2 of just cosecant. And the antiderivative of cosecant is the natural log, absolute value, of cosecant x minus cotangent x. And then evaluate that from 1 to 2. And of course I need to substitute the 2 first of all, but before I do that, my calculator doesn't have cosecant or cotangent, so I'm going to rewrite this as the natural log, and in place of cosecant put 1 over sine, and in place of cotangent put 1 over tangent. That way I can use my TI-84. So then substitute the 2, and we're going to have the natural log of 1 over sine of 2 minus 1 over tangent of 2 minus the natural log 1 over sine of 1 minus 1 over tangent of 1. And then hopefully I can remember all of this as I go over to the calculator. So it's 1 over sine minus 1 over tangent. And then go over to the calculator. So natural log. And then I need absolute value. So go to math and number, and there's absolute value. And it's 1 divided by sine of 2 minus 1 divided by tangent of 2. And now I need to stop the square root or get out of the square root, so move to the right. And now the calculator at the beginning, if you look in the upper left hand corner, it's saying you need to put natural log and put parentheses around that. So put parentheses, and there's the first part. And then minus, take natural log, and again absolute value, and then it's 1 divided by sine of 1 minus 1 divided by tangent of 1. And now I need to get outside of the absolute value and then put the parenthesis. And one last thing is sometimes I use degrees on this calculator, so I need to go to the mode real fast and make sure that it is in radians. The angle is in radians. Okay, good. And so it's 1.0476. 1.0476.